Hey guys, it's Becca J, and I just got Happy Meals from McDonald's. It's their 25th anniversary, and let's see what Pokemon cards I got. So, I already opened the first pack, so let's see what I got. Got Piplup only, nice background. Rowlet, and Cyndaquil. Now, I'm not complaining, but something about these cards, like the texture of them, it just screams McDonald's. I don't know how that's possible. The second one is, let's see what's in here. Charmander card. Let's see, I got Charmander with a nice background. Snivy, Cyndaquil, again, and Mudkip. Overall, pretty nice. The boxes were like adorable Pikachu. So otherwise, pretty nice. The texture just screams McDonald's. That's pretty much it. It also came with like these things. The packaging was pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. The event it's pretty cool. If you live near McDonald's, I would invite, and you like Pokemon cards and that, you should really go to it, just saying. And no, this is not a promotion. Just saying. But bye.